Welcome to fall, and unfortunately the end of our camping season. But hey, we'll be putting out videos all winter long to help you get ready for your next camping season and all those amazing adventures that are just waiting to happen. Hi, if we haven't met yet, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. You know, whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So the reason for this quick video is that maybe you've just finished your camping season, but it's time to start thinking about next year. Yes, next camping season is just around the corner, and you know, you really need to have a plan, especially after this last year. You know, there's so many new campers and new RVers out there because of COVID that means reservations are going to be even harder to come by. You know, it's kind of like a supply and demand thing. There are so many more campers, but with the same amount of campsites, that it's going to be hard to get those campsites. Now, I know a lot of people that this past summer were super discouraged because they'd gone out and purchased an RV or had filled their car with brand new camping equipment, but they couldn't find a campsite. But instead of getting discouraged, just be proactive. You know, a few places out there let you make your reservations up to a year in advance, but most places are taking reservations starting at 6 months. Now, every state varies a little bit, so just be aware of what your state reservation policies are. So, it's October here. If you're planning on doing any camping in April, right now you're inside that reservation window, and you have a great chance of scoring a really good campsite if you book now. So think about sitting down and mapping out where you would like to explore this summer. You know, get some dates penciled in and also the dates that you need to be on your computer or on your phone booking those reservations. You know, oh my gosh, if you like to camp on weekends are so much busier than the weekdays that reservations are imperative. I personally find so much peace knowing that my reservations have been made and that the campground will have a site waiting for me when the time comes. Come on, you know those times when you've got the family in the RV or the car, everything's packed, the family's excited, but you can't find a place to camp. So do it now, start planning, and you will thank me later. You can check out RV park reviews and Google reviews or even some RV camping Facebook sites. Also, Campending is a great place to check out different sites if you haven't camped there before. Google Earth is also a great resource. It'll help give you a feel of what the campground's like and what sites to book. Now, Reserve America and Recreation.gov are just a few of the many ways that you can make a reservation. And I've got a couple of great videos out there, I'll leave the link below, that can help you make your reservations. You know, if you're new to making reservations, these videos will walk you step by step through the whole entire process to help ensure that you have an amazing, fun-filled summer. So hey, if you got some value out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. So hey, go make those reservations and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.